Yo, what's going on, my fam people? How y'all doing today? I'm gonna try to knock this out within the first 30 to 45 seconds. No big intro, just if you guys have been following along for the channel, make sure you go check my last unboxing out. We're gonna be doing a lot of unboxings. As of late, matter of fact, let me just say it like that. A lot of unboxings coming up as of late. I think I got a vlog coming. I gotta come up with an idea for a vlog. And yeah, we're gonna keep coming out with videos, pretty much entertaining content. And yeah, but first 30 seconds. Now I turned the volume up on my mic this time because last time I had to do some adjustments at like post edit on my last unboxing. But if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that video out and make sure you go check my wear testing video out. But we're gonna get straight to it. This one is the one that got away. The one that got away, man, because I never worn it. And low key, I'm gonna like make a promise to myself to wear this one. But it's just like, it's like one of them gems, like, you rarely see this. Matter of fact, I don't even know the last time when y'all seen this one. So this may be in the thumbnail, matter of fact. So if it's not in the thumbnail, can you guys tell from just a regular box? From the back, the bottom of the box? Get this bad boy out and about. So this one is a Air Jordan 7 Retro CNC. I thought this would be like the box, like kind of like the one with the championship 8s, but these are the championship 7s. Just for shorts purposes, so I can make this a short. Always falling out. I'm gonna let y'all hit it. I'm gonna hit y'all with it first. Voila. Read them and weed, baby. Let's go. I already know what they look like. Let me just make sure my pair crispy though. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. With the ring on that bad boy. The gold hits. What more can I say? Y'all see the details right there on the ring. That's what I'm saying, man. Like these, would y'all wear these? Would y'all really just wear these out on a casual day? Like, would it have to be a special occasion? Because these right here are fire, bro. These right here are too fire. Man. Woo. Some serious. You feel me? They should have hit it with that gold 2-3 on the back. Matter of fact, do y'all want them to re-retro these or just leave these alone? Just keep these how they is. They got the other shoe. The right shoe. I always miss placement how the shoes first come in the box. I know they come in a certain way, kind of like, see, give y'all a good description. Do they come like this in the box? You know what I'm saying? Just imagine the box just standing up. Do they come like this in the box? Or do they come like this in the box? I probably could have just flipped it over all the time. I always messed that up, man. I'm trying to put it back neatly as possible and organize it and stuff. But these are the Champagne 7s. I got a nice little sliz out right here for your boy. Go ahead and zoom in. A little dusty, probably have to wipe that off. Or I might just reorganize the stuff. But these right here hit all day. Size 11.5. So you already know these bad boys. These bad boys personally. But low key, like after I do my reviews and then my son get home from doing what he got to do, I'll show him and be like, hey, you want these? And if he say yeah, like he almost took my what was it? Damn, where that shoe at? My international 12s, which is what I did a video on. Nice little plug. The last unboxing I did or whatever. I was like, you like these? He's like, yeah. I'm like, you want them? And he was like on the fence about it. He was like, I was like, it's too late now. Like, you're gonna have to wait till your birthday, so. Yeah, these are hit. I mean, I guess we can go over them. Predominantly white. You got hit black and gold hits on it. You got the ring on that bad boy. What that say? One side says Jordan 2-3. The other side says YLT7, 1992. You know what I'm saying? And then you got like, I want to say like studs. They're not real studs. They're not real diamonds. Anybody putting real diamonds in shoes. That would be a nice little touch though. But black Jumpman within the gold ring. And I'm going to sock line a little bit. Then it's kind of like this netting, kind of like texture. I forget what you call it. In the insole, as you can see. You got white 2-3 on the back. I think I went over that. Outsoles, all white. So you know these easily will get dirty. Easily. With a black Jumpman. Got the Jumpman, I'm pointing up wrong. With a black Jumpman. Gold tongue on that bad boy. I guess you could say gold ankle support. I mean, you see it. I mean, it ain't really too much, you know what I'm saying? But the simplicity of the shoe is what make it hard. Like, them gold hits. This might be like one of the, I want to say the top 10 of 7s, but it is an honorable mention. And like as far as the 7 silhouette goes, this is a hard one right here. These bad boys tough. Get the smell test in. Oh, they took that stock line out. Oh yeah, we're gonna do something different in this video. Hold on one second. I got the little light. I had this light for like a whole year too, matter of fact. And I never did this on video, so I'm gonna try to do it today. Gotta get your UV joints in, you know what I'm saying? Hey. So we're gonna do some legit checking myself. Everything look kosher. No tracings. Everything A1. I'm checking it myself first. I'll give y'all that same little look. You know what I'm saying? Right there. In the back. Yes, sir. That's why I go A1 since day one. Go definitely official. And low key, I was kind of scared because this came in like DHL packaging. I don't know if y'all like, well, some of y'all watching maybe from Chicago, but we know that DHL, like, it's coming from Hong Kong, bro. And like, a lot of Fugazi stuff come from Hong Kong. But the whole time, like, stuff from over there, like, they actually make Jordans and stuff over there too, so it's a 50-50 with that one. But yeah, we're gonna get up out of here, man. This video going on for too long. I did show y'all this within the first at least 60 seconds though, so we did unboxing in the first 60 seconds, so I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, if y'all feeling the video, if y'all like what you just seen, y'all feeling the vibes, go ahead and like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. And while you at it, go check out my last unboxing and go check out my wear testing shoe. Like, we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff, and we do have a vlog coming up. So pretty soon, there's gonna be a lot more stuff coming to the channel. Like I said before, when I do get monetized, I'm gonna go extra hard in the paint. I guess this is a result of it, so let's go, man. We're gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all content. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Everybody be peaceful, stay patient, be blessed, and be humble. I'll get up with y'all later, man, for the passion, for the people, for the culture. It's your boy, Real, man. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Thank you for watching. Peace, let's go.